All right, here's step 2 of my warm-up routine. After I've just kind of generally used the saber to stretch, I'm going to go into what I call the spin. So this for me really starts to stretch everything from my ankles to my armpits and into my back, quads, hamstrings, glutes, everything. So what I do is I just kind of take my normal regular golf stance and I just start rotating like this, right? So I usually start out pretty slow. Just get lots of good range of motion. You can hear the timing ball kind of settle as I rotate into my spin. As I increase the pace of my spin, my rotation gets a little bit further. I've got a little bit more of that momentum working all the way back and through. So as I'm working into the spin, what I'm really doing is stretching all of my body. I might do this 100 times. I'll basically start out my warm-up and I'll continue to do the spin until any part of my rotary muscle group is not hurting anymore. If it's tight, my body parts are gonna let me know. So that's how I warm up, and that's how I conduct the second part of my warm up, and that's called the spin.